a great movie.
Oh, it sure was. I especially liked the part where the space aliens sucked all those cows up into their spaceship and then switched brains with the cows so they could come back to Earth and infiltrate our society unnoticed.
Yeah, that was great.
What do you suppose that is?
I'm bored, Jerry. B-O-R-D, bored. Why did we want to work at the Bumbleberg Science Lab? Because we wanted to see space aliens. And what have we seen in 2 long years? Huh? Nothing. Nothing. N-U-T. You know, nothing.
Jimmy?
Watch the screen, they said. Keep your eyes on the screen. So we watched the screen for 2 years. And what do we see? Nothing.
Jimmy?
And then there's the light. If this light ever flashes, something from space is about to hit Bumbleberg. Alert LarryBoy immediately.
Jimmy?
Like that'll ever happen. I'm telling you, Jerry, this is the most boring job on Earth. Maybe we can get our old jobs back at Mr. Slushy. What? Master Laddie! Excuse me, Master Laddie!
Yes, Alfred. Alfred. No time now, Alfred. Duty calls.
I'm fallen and I can't get up.